Hello everyone, today I'm going to provide some tips for writing plpgSQL function. I choose this topic because when I was studying a database system, many students struggled with the just syntax part. They understand how to select, how to combine tables, but they just don't know how to write a valid syntax so that the computer complain a lot about the syntax part. So here I give you some examples to help you to write a successful plpgSQL function. So this is an example. Just tell you the standard format. So you start with create or replace function. This one is the function name. You just name whatever you want to help you to understand the purpose of this function. So after the function part, we have brackets which we put a real number in it. That means we will put the input type is real number. So after this, we will return set of employees. It's just return some like valid tuples, make it a table. So after this, as and $, this just standard format. You just follow it. So we declare some attributes which does not exist in the tables. So this record is just similar as we select row or each tuples in the table. So after the declaration, there's the main body of the function. It marks as begin and end with semicolon. So let's look into the function body. So for each row or each record or each tuple, whatever you want to call it, in this table, so in this table, it's just like select view. You guys know how to select views, right? The select star from employees where salary is larger than $1. No, this one is not $1. It actually tells the system, please put the value we input here. What value? In the first position. So for example, we put like 10,000 here, and this $1 will be replaced by 10,000. So when we did the when we start for looping, we tell the system the loop starts from here, and you can modify the record or just return it. So here we return next. That means we found one valid record or valid tuples, and we tell system please accumulate this tuple or please save these tuples. And we loop again and again until we reach the end. We finish looping, we tell the system please end loop, and this return is also important because you collect, like for example, 5 valid tuples. You need to combine them and make it a table and show it to you in the computer screen. So let's show you the final result. So how do you use the function when you create one? It's just similar like you select information from the tables. So select star from the function name, and this is the input value. You choose the value. Here I choose 50,000. So the system gave me a table with all the valid tuples, all the employees whose salary is larger than $50,000. So that's how you use a function. Here I give you another example. Just select we input text to the system. The text is the topping on the pizza, like cheddar or some cheese or other stuff, and we return all this pizza set of pizza record. Similar to the previous record, here we use underscore p. Why do we use underscores? Because there is an existing tables called pizza. That if you don't use this underscore, this system or yourself will be confused about which table are you using. So we underscore it because tell the system this new one is created by me. I want to return this one, not the original table, right? So let's look into the function body. We for each valid record select p star from pizza tables. We join this hash table and toppings. We put them together. This is how you use the input value. We tell the system select the value topping. Maybe for example cheddar equals t.name, the topping name. So similar to the previous one, we start looping and return each valid record, and finally return the whole table. So you can say there are some comments which help you to understand the syntax. Another thing I would like to mention is that even you write a successful function and you input it, the system tell you you've created functions successfully, but actually that doesn't guarantee the function can work without any errors. Say there's an example. When I select the star from pizza with cheddar, the system complained of the relation topping does not exist. I just give you this example to tell you when you say the create functions, that doesn't mean you are safe. You have to do some tests. So here you got the test. The topping table does not exist. So let's modify these arrows, add the s to the toppings, and finally we can run this function. We got the pizza with cheddar cheese. So that's all for the video. If you have any other queries, please let me know and I can answer you.